Hey Sugar Wookers, I'm back at y'all with another video. What's up, Sugar Wookers? Today, I am having Royal Farms. Royal Farms. Look, let me tell y'all something. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you. And I really appreciate it for always showing Sugar Mama some love. So let me get this started. I'm going to say my prayers and I'm going to get to eat for you. Amen. So yeah, I had a taste for a cold cut. I got an Italian cold cut, and I got me some potato chips. These are what called dirty original recipe potato chips, sea salted. We cook our chips kettle style. I ain't gotta do all that, but anyway, y'all, it's chips. It's chips. It's chips. Hey, hold up. Hey, man, didn't hit that. Y'all want chip? Oh yeah, here, chip. That's kettle for real. Okay. It's cold outside today, y'all. I'm working. Pepsi! Gotta take a swig. If you like Pepsi, take a swig. Take a swig! Woo! Yes. And here is the sub. Yes. I got Italian cold cut. Whoa. Oh, I just poured a whole lot of something out of that part of the sub. Ooh. That pepper hit me. Oh, it's dripping, y'all. It's dripping. Let me do a thumbnail. Woo. It's everything falling out of it. Let me take a bite of that. No, y'all want a bite here? Take a bite. Look at that goodness on there. Man. I am making a man. Dripping. Oh, did y'all? Yes, I'm making mad. Give me a napkin. See? I gotta have a napkin under that. Wipe my jacket off. I'm putting stuff all on my jacket. See? Look at that, y'all. Look at that goodness. All that. It's dripping. It's dripping, y'all. You see that? Don't be doing all that. I got sweet peppers, hot peppers, pickles, onions, olives, tomato, double meat. I never had a Italian cold cut from Royal Farms. I just had all I had from them was the struggles of doing in the car. Look at me. What am I trying to say? I only had that chicken and maybe a breakfast sandwich, one something like that, but never had an Italian. I would do it again though, cause this is good. I'm gonna go in y'all face. Y'all gonna see that. Yeah. Okay. Look at that, y'all. That's good. See my lift jacket. How y'all doing today? What y'all gonna eat there? Huh? Sugar with us? What? This is good. It is. Okay. Okay, Warrior Phone with the Italian cold cut. Yeah. What? It's so good, y'all. I mean, let me slow down. I'm running out of breath. I'm always running out of breath. Mayonnaise, mustard, the oil, salt, something. Lettuce. I got provolone cheese on it. You know you gotta have the chips. With this cold cut. I'll put my lettuce right there. My lettuce. My lettuce. Okay. Something went on my sleeve, y'all. I think it was an olive. Ha! Let me put that down real quick. Hold on, y'all. I'm having coffee. Okay, y'all see me? Well, I don't know. I tore this half or so about this now, y'all. All up in y'all. This a moon. Woo! I'm getting tired chewing. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo, excuse me, y'all. Lord. Yes. me get this other sub. Got my other sub. Half a sub. I don't know about this one, y'all. Because everything fell out of this, y'all. Everything. But I'm about to fix it. And bring it up there to show y'all. All my stuff fell out. Hot peppers, my onions, sweet peppers, my olive, a piece of meat. All that fell out. All that fell out. Papa. Fix myself up. Ah, gotta be great. Go ahead, y'all. Take a bite of that. That look good, though. Y'all know that look good. It is good. I'm sitting at Warrior Farm parking lot. I am. Not going on in this sub. Yeah. Here I go. It's the lightning. The lightning. Whoa. Oh no. How? I'm gonna take the watch me. I'm gonna take a bite from the back. All that good. Oh, my jaw's getting tired. Huh. I'm full. I'm gonna go lie. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, and thumbs up this video. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe. All that good stuff. Y'all know. You know what I'm talking about. All that meat. Sleepy. I can't be sleepy right now. Nope. I'm gonna take one more bite. One more bite. I ain't even gonna make myself miserable like this. You wanna know why? Cause I gotta work. What kind of bite was that? This is good though. Woo! Good move. Alright, y'all. I know I still got a little piece right there. But chip. Y'all see that? Alright. I gotta wash all that down. With the Pepsi! Oh, I'm screaming. That was good. That was good. Did y'all enjoy that? Did y'all enjoy that? Because I did. Woo. Okay, my sugars, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, like, share. Let everybody know what I'm doing over here on this channel, y'all. Show Sugar Mama some love. Now, you know I'm not going to leave y'all without giving y'all a great big hug for you and for me. I'll see y'all in my next video.